Okay, the easiest way to sign up with LiveGood is, after you fill out your name and your email address to the capture page, in my case, pleasewatchvideo.com, you're going to get an email. And I'm going to show you what it looks like. And it's just so dang easy. Check this out. And this video is for people that have already went through. They've looked at the 6-minute video with our CEO, Ben, and probably kicked some tires. But if you haven't, go ahead and do it. All right. Okay, this is an example of the email that you get. All right. In this case, my buddy Shannon got it. You can read it here if you want to freeze the video. You can kind of read it. I'm not going to read the whole thing just so I can zoom through this. But what I tell everyone, because a lot of people, they go to the, basically what a capture page is it's where you put your name and your address in. I mean, your email address. And then, you look at the LiveGood site and you kind of kick some tires and maybe have some questions. But if you make a decision to just go ahead and join, a lot of people will go back to my pleasewatchvideo.com again and go, well, wait a minute now, what do I do or whatever? And then I did have one person that uses a couple email addresses. One was work related, the other one was personal. And they remembered that they used their work one to basically get going with LiveGood, and they wanted to use their personal one instead. So nonetheless, don't worry about it. Relax. If you put a certain email address in and you want to change, there's a process to that. But the easiest way to check what email address you used is to just check your email. And the one welcome one, and if you look at this one, it just, the very top of it will have the LiveGood logo, and it'll say welcome to LiveGood. Now, when you scroll halfway down, well, it's near the bottom, but see you have right here, it says, you can go secure my position anytime. Well, this you have to put the exact email address in, okay? Let me just show you what it looks like. Screw it. Here we go. Okay. See right here in the middle? So let's say you used 123@gmail.com. You put that in there, you just click, and this will get you locked in and ready to sign up, okay? But some people, like I said, they just can't remember. They're like, God, I forgot what email I did. And I realize some people even put a fake email in because they think they're going to have to join if they click the capture page, and you don't, okay? I like people to go to join now, and look at the difference. Okay, this one I just dig. I dig it, baby, because it fills your name in your address or your whatever it's called, your email, and your phone number you can put there, and then your username. See, it just goes right to the sign up page. No bullshit. Username, let's say Bob Smith, whatever you want. Password, come up with your password and write it down. Hide it, make sure it's protective. But, some people, they get their username different than their email. And when they try to log into LiveGood, they'll use their email address and their password, and then they get all messed up. So remember, your username is how you're going to log into this website. So whatever your username is, people will see it. My name's Corey Draper. So when I use my capture page, it's livegoodtour.com/Corey Draper. So just pick a username you're comfortable with. Obviously, whatever your password is, and then confirm it. Select your membership. All right. If you're on a budget and you got $10 a month plus 40, you can do it for $50. I don't make any more or less. But if you have $100, I recommend this because then you don't have to repay every month. Because see, we don't have auto billing here. We have none of that. So if you want a membership, it's $10, $10, $10. But the only problem, what we warn everybody is if you start doing this as an affiliate and you start getting people signed up underneath you, if you accidentally don't pay the next month, you've got to start over. And we've already had that happen. So the reason why is we don't want anyone to feel this company is like, oh, you're locked into an auto pay like a gym or a tanning salon, or how many times have you probably done a different style of traditional based MLMs where you do have to buy product and it's on auto pay so you don't forget to order each month and all that horse crap. So option one, $40 one-time fee plus $10 a month. Okay, so if you have $50, do this one, option one. If you got $100, the company will give you 2 free months. So for $100, you get 12 full months. You don't have to give a rat's ass about, redoing your membership every month. Okay. So do option 2. Obviously right here, billing and shipping information. So if you want to buy some products or whatnot, just put in your best shipping. Obviously, if you're going to buy stuff, use your credit card. You decide this information here. And a lot of times your shipping address and your home address and all that has to match, of course. So it's pretty simple. How do you sign up to LiveGood? I mean, obviously, if you're watching my videos, pleasewatchvideo.com and just go to your email. And I recommend clicking join now right there. All these emails are automated. They all look exactly the same. And man, oh man, what a good decision. I'm excited for you. I'm excited. I've had really good success. I'm going on my 2nd month. I'm already, see, bronze, ranked, bronze, silver. Okay, I'm going on gold. All right, and I have no doubt that I can go all the way to diamond, and maybe in a year, it'll take me a while, but I think with some good hustling and bustling and chit-chatting, I have no doubt that we can get a really nice group of people lined up. So I'm having a good time. That's all I can say. So far, so good. Money's coming in and meeting some real fine folks. So, okay, thanks for watching my video, and watch the next one right here. Take care.